This is the Lamborghini Aventador S. It's in the Nero Pegaso paintwork with a full satin PPF wrap, which doesn't just offer protection from stone chips, but also makes this car look incredible. Now it is live on the website for just 89p, so be sure to go ahead and enter for your chance to win this car and £5,000 with the car, or you could take the huge £175,000 cash alternative. But be sure to keep watching the video if you want to see more on this car. We're going to be taking out with George, who was the original owner. He's done a few modifications to it, so we're going to show you guys more of what this has to offer.
What's up guys? So as you can see, we're out in the Lamborghini Aventador S. Now we're going to take it out, we're going to film some content, and we're going to show you what this car is capable of, and more importantly what it sounds like with the full straight through Capristo exhaust. Alright, well, as you saw in the last video, there was a GoPro right there and it's now gone. When you get like a loud thud, that's when it's a big flame. That would have been a big flame. So starting off with the specs, this is pushing out 730 brake horsepower from 6.5 litre V12 engine, does 0 to 60 in 2.9 seconds. And of course, if you know Lamborghinis, the Aventadors run the single clutch gearbox, which makes it really feel like a supercar. I love the single clutch gearbox.
Should I the GoPro still on the back?
Guys, you're probably thinking that this car is just way too loud, but there's a little secret. The full Capristo exhaust actually has this little fob which opens and closes the exhaust valve. This car's got two modes. It's got loud and very loud. This is in quiet mode. When you press this button to open the valves, it puts it into the louder mode. And it's actually noticeable as well, as you can probably hear on the video. Alright, well, as you saw in the last video, there was a GoPro right there and it's now gone. Where is it, Travis?
It's somewhere.
So guys, that's it. Hopefully now you have a good understanding of how insane this car actually is and what it really sounds like. We've got it in the quiet mode right now, so as you can tell, actually it doesn't have to be that loud all the time, which is good. If you don't want your neighbours to hate you, start it up in quiet mode, get down the road and then have some fun. So yeah guys, definitely not one to miss out on.
So this week's discount code is Aventador20. It's for 20% off your whole order. It will be valid until next week on Wednesday, the 6th of September. So use it whilst you still can, save some money and some tickets. So what is live right now on our website? First, for just 60p, we have this 2021 BMW G80 Competition Carbon Core in the Mariner Bay Blue paintwork. This also comes with £1,000 cash, or you can choose the £62,000 cash alternative. What would you choose for this one? £62,000, or would you take the car?
I'd actually take the car on this one.
We have also got this Volkswagen T-Roc for just 95p a ticket. This one we have fitted a full exterior Maxim design kit, and it has also been lowered on H&R lowering springs. Taking a look at our motorbikes that are all live on the website, we've got the electric Sur-Ron, and then next to it is this Kawasaki Z1000R edition, and then finally the Aprilia RS V4, incredible bike. We've done a few of these before and they are very popular. So that is it for this week's video. If you did enjoy it, then be sure to leave a like, subscribe and hit the bell notification to stay updated for more future uploads.